This is one bund in our garden where the outside water comes in there and then it goes through that channel and flows out of our garden. So, on this bund we have planted Vettiver. This is the Vettiver grass. So, in such a harsh location it has grown quite well and it has never been watered and all, rain fed. And first flowers started, so I thought can cover that today. This one, the speciality of this vetiver is the flowers are non-fertile and the seeds also. So it doesn't become invasive in its non-traditional areas. Therefore, it can be used. It is being used in all kind of countries all over the world because it doesn't become invasive. Because seeds are infertile, and the only way it can be propagated is by removing suckers and all. Vegetative parts have to be harvested and used for propagation. So these are the flowers. This is how it emerges. And it is one of the Chrysopogon actually, this one. Flowers are quite beautiful, and the shape also is very interesting. This round formation is there. There is one aphid also here. That one.